Hey guys, welcome back to my another video of homeopathic remedies. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So today I'm going to talk about characteristic symptoms of mephitis. So let's get started. Firstly, let me give you an introduction about this drug. So its common name is skunk and the proving of this drug is done by Dr. Herring. Basically, mephitis is prepared from the liquid contained in the anal gland of skunk, and it was proved by Herring in 30th potency. This medicine has a limited sphere of action. It especially acts on respiratory tract. Moving on to its clinical condition. So mephitis is prescribed in asthma, laryngitis, also in whooping cough.
Coming on to its sphere of action, that is respiratory system. So mephitis has a valuable action in cough of certain types such as whooping cough, asthmatic cough, etc. The causation of cough it is usually brought on by talking or when reading aloud, also even by drinking. And the sensation, the patient literally feels suffocation. Talking about its
So the character of cough, there is spasmodic and a whooping cough. Also there is a few paroxysms in daytime but many at night with vomiting after eating. So this is a peculiar symptom in mephitis. That is, it has a few paroxysms in daytime but many at night with vomiting after eating. Okay, and the child must be raised up. The patient gets blue in face. The patient cannot exhale. Also, there is suffocative feeling, and in asthmatic paroxysms there is a spasmodic cough, and the cough is so violent that the patient seems as if each spell would terminate his or her life. Coming on to its modality. So mephitis patient usually aggravated at night, also by lying down and even by talking. The ameliorating modalities are the patient feels better by motion, just like in Rustox. Also, there is a peculiar concomitant, that is, the patient wants to bathe in ice cold water, which is a peculiar symptom, I must say, only present in mephitis. The drug can be compared with Drosera, Corallium rubrum. These are actually cough remedies. If you guys want more cough remedies, sneezing remedies, or homeopathic first aid remedies, do let me know in comment section and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.